Hi, today I'm going to show you how to filter data using slicers in Excel. So this is how the slicers look like. So for example, I want to filter this data with the department for finance. So if you check department, you only have finance only. For example, you can click here to remove the filter. Also, if I want to filter this data only with the education level for high school, you have only high school here. So let's get to today's video. Let me show you how you do that. Thank you. Yes, so let me undo this so that you can start. So the first thing to do when you want to create such kind of use tracers to filter data, you click anywhere in your data, then Control A to highlight the data, then come here on styles, format as a table. Instead you want, I prefer medium, this one, table medium 2, and then I say my table has headers, make sure to mark this one, okay. Then after you do this, you just come here on home page and you can say insert, and you can come here insert slicer. Another way is to click on this table design and click insert slicers like that. So I want us to filter this data using a couple of ways. I want us to filter this data using department, education level, city, and gender. So we'll have 4 slicers. So the first one will be on department, education level, gender, and city. And we click OK. And you can see we have now our 4 slicers. So we can decide to arrange them like here. I can put them here. So I want them to be 2 by 2 like that, and then I bring the other one here and I minimize it. I bring another one here and I minimize it like that, and another one here like that. So with these 4 slicers, we can be able to format our table depending on how we want it to be. For example, I want this table to only show departments, the finance department only, and to show me the data for females only. So I click on this department slicer, I click on finance, and then on this gender slicer, I click on females. I want to see only data for females. And with that, we have filtered with the department finance and gender female. With this, we can be able to use the data for only females that are in the finance department. Yes. So if you want to undo this filtering, you click here on this filter, clear filter, and up here, clear filter, and you're back to the other data. So, and that's how you do it, easy and fast and efficient. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you with more videos.